Hi, hello, and welcome to today's Assemble This video. I am all about making your images glow today with a fun background technique, just using some ink blending and simple stamping. In order to get a really great ink blend, you have to start with a really smooth paper. Today I'm using hammermill paper and I stamped this beautiful lattice background. I just thought it kind of went with the outdoorsy theme for my cute little puppy. And I stamped that in Gina K ink using the darkest spruce color. It's a trio of inks, so I do know that they work well together. To start off that glow behind the puppy, I'm using Sweet Corn Gina K ink, and I ink blended a nice big circle of that. As my inks kind of come in and meet it, it will kind of shrink it down. But I do like the way that those will blend together. So I started with the sweet corn, came in with the light spruce, and now I'm adding another layer of spruce in the medium. So I'm slowly building up my ink blending, and it creates a more vibrant and smoother blend. As these inks kind of sit and soak into the paper, they'll start to blend themselves out and kind of won't look as splotchy. But it's nice to start out with a nice blend as well. So once I was done with creating the ink blend, I'm going to add a little bit of dimension to those lattice. I grabbed some Copic markers in N3 and N4 and just added a hint of shading to those boards in the lattice background. Just adds a little bit more dimension and to help that kind of pop against the flat background of the ink blending. And just moving through, adding just scribbling. I'm not even really thinking hard about the shading. And then last, to really create a vignette and to make this panel pop, I'm using the darkest spruce color and just ink blended around the edges. And we have a really fun background for our cute little puppy. This guy is from the All Ears stamp set from Unity Stamp Company, and I stamped him in amalgam ink from Gina K in a brown, and then I'm coloring with some Copics in a light brown trio of colors. I used E51, E31, and E33. I left a lot of white space on this little guy too because I wanted him to be kind of a combo of a splotchy brown and white. He's a cute little basset hound, so I just like that idea of having some white in his fur. And I'm just layering up my colors, kind of blending them out. I'm using that E31 to blend each layer. And then to really make him pop, I'm adding some white pen highlights just to kind of highlight that white that I have going on in his fur. This does come with a coordinating die, so I die him out with that. Makes it super easy. And then now we're just gonna layer everything up. I used the scallops and rectangles die and die cut some white layers with the scallop square layered on my lattice background and kind of pop that up with some foam tape. Then placing my cute little basset hound right over that glowing background with a cute little heart bubble. Just thought that was really great. It's a very simple thinking of you card, could be used for anything. I might add a sentiment to this later on, but I kind of like that it's plain, so I can just to let someone know I'm thinking of them. Thank you so much for watching today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to catch all my video tutorials. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.